Thesis on Adaptive Use of Indraprastha Power Plant, New Delhi by Ayushi Verma. Site location. This dead defunct site lies in the center of Delhi, connecting the ring road and western banks of Yamuna. Diagram showing sun path and wind direction. Site plan. Existing building. Auditorium. Multipurpose space. Library. Learning center. Service apartment. Office complex. Adaptive use of existing building. Redesigning the existing building to create a commercial art center, giving a new life to the defunct building which was previously used as a turbine hall structure. Office complex. The office space is provided with the idea of generating revenue so that the site can sustain. The structure has its own secluded yet connected plaza acting as a breakout space for the working class. Library. Service apartment. Learning center. Library is provided from the curated collection of resources. Service apartment is provided for the staff working on the site. Learning center is for those who want to get some more knowledge on a specific topic. Urban heart. The urban heart is the focal point of the whole site which connects all the major structure together through a series of hardscape and softscape. It also acts as a major congregational space which can work in various different ways throughout the year. Undulating landscape. Landscape towards higher level. The landscape is the major design element of the project which connects the cityscape to the riverscape through a cluster of public and private spaces which can be used in numerous ways depending on the requirement. Landscape towards lower level. The interesting landscape stitches the different structures together as one single entity.